him now. Oh. Welcome back to the channel. We are out at Sebastian Inlet today, and we're actually going to hit the beach instead of the jetty right away. The north side is now open, and we hit that later, but we need to catch some bait. But I want to get on this early light snook and tarpon bait. Hopefully they're here, so we're gonna head out to the area right now. It's pretty wet out. Good thing I got the boots, but yeah, the jetty's open, and we're gonna head out there and see if we can't get on a nice swim bait bite. Got my NLBN 5-inch and my my new rod with my Saltex 6000. So we're gonna get out there and check out. But first, let's check out this new jetty. New entryways and lots and lots of rocks. I don't remember there being this many rocks out here before, so yeah, it looks nice. So we're gonna get out on the beach side and let's see what we can do. All right, so we're out on the beach here right next to the jetty. Just got ourselves a 5-inch NLBN, and this is that I'm not really sure what color this is. It's a limited batch. Let's see if we can't get ourselves a snook. We're just gonna walk along this whole area here. Looks like there's some mullet, so we might have to leave our boots up top here, but looks like there's some mullet out here and some tarpon. That would be really nice. I'm hoping this jig's not too heavy, but I don't do a lot of beach fishing out here like this with swim bait, so we're gonna try it today. If not, we're gonna head out onto the jetty. If we can get some mullet, we can free line some mullet or some white bait out and see if we can't catch ourselves some snook. But we're gonna try this. This is something new, something I don't normally do. So we're gonna go ahead and keep throwing this bait and hopefully hook up on a fish. We're just gonna walk the whole beach pretty much.
So there ended up not being any fish on the beach. The only thing that ended up happening is me filling my boots that I refused to take off, apparently, full of water. So we were down a pair of boots, no fish, no blow-ups, no bait. So we decided to head down to the jetty and try to catch some mullet to get on some of these snook.
We got a big school coming through here. Hopefully they come in right on this cut so I can get them on some mullet. Get out there and start snook fishing. You guys got bigger mullet on, right? Yeah. I'm gonna try a smaller one. Oh yeah, keep freaking out. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Got him. Look at these mullet. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Let me know if you need me to move. Look at the mullet, man. Getting crashed on. Man. Oh, snook. Look at all the mullet. There's so many mullet, and there's in between the pods of snooker in there just blowing up. Right there, there's a snook right there. Oh, there he is. Oh man, he keeps spitting it.
Yeah, they're just hitting it and spitting it.
I feel like I should give him a little bit. Oh, he hit it. He hit it and did that. That sucks, dude.
That's not flash right on it.
Oh, I was not paying attention. I was looking down there. Yeah, he is. Oh, he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. Oh, let him have it.
That right there is probably 34.
Oh yeah. Oh man, he's gone now. Oh, he's right here. He's right there. Right there. He's right there. You go. Oh, you threw right on him. Oh, he's got it. He's gonna hit. He's gonna hit it. Let's get this on camera. Oh! Oh!
Come on, come back.
Oh! He'll get it. He'll get it. He'll get it. Oh no, he's over
He
here.
doesn't want your mullet, he wants.
I pulled free. Oh, you got him now. There you go. Hell yeah! I got that.
I got through the drop now one time.
What was that? Oh, did you see him eat it?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, nice snook. He was on one of the other guys. That's a big boy.
Yeah, they don't want to pay over
Not a PB, but I'm going to take it.
on a mullet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some mullet.
You're coming around. I'm out of your way. You're good to come around the pole.
Well, yours on.
Hell yeah. Oh, watch out for the Goliath. Got one over there. No!
Got under the pine and on.
Damn. Yeah, he broke them off. Big mullet, circle hook, and a 1 ounce weight. Just throwing right in the edge of these rocks here. I'm hoping that snooker is going to jump all over it. See what happens. Found the school. The school is right here on this rock. There's a rock right here, and there's a little eddy, and the snooker sitting on the back side of it chasing these mullet. Oh, oh. He's freaking out. He's freaking out. There he is. I don't know how I'm gonna get down here. Watch out! Oh, I got my phone in my pocket. Sure, here. Thank you. I'll tire him out. Oh. Ooh, got my keys. You take these too? Thank you. Yes, sir. Yeah. I finally got one. You gonna do me a favor? Mullet? Woo. Can you take my rod? Thank you. Thank you. Come on, buddy. He's gone. Oh, no, he's not gone. Where'd he go?
He's there. He's going. He got it.
You good? Yeah. Good deal.
Here, I stopped a few.
One.
Make him out of good.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
What are you using?
Just mullet. Yeah. All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
After catching my fish, I'm making my way back out into the jetty. My buddy was hooked up on a snook over here, and turns out he actually was not even hooked. The snook swiped at his mullet, and it went around his jaw and around the bottom fin and hooked itself back down to the sinker. So he was not hooked at all, but he was still able to catch the fish. And after that, all the fish kind of stopped biting. So we rolled into a day 2. I was hoping to pick up some shrimp. Nobody had shrimp around. And to be honest, the day was kind of a bust. I spent the whole day out on the jetty and didn't catch a single thing, didn't have a single bite, and catching bait was super, super hard. But I did get to witness this one guy catch a nice big fat, and I mean fat, 40-inch snook. But that was pretty much it for the day. And then eventually we got rained out. Here's the giant storm behind us. So we ended up leaving the jetty, and I ended up on the beach trying to once again catch some tarpon or snook off the beach. Just ended up walking some new spots, and just ended up not really catching anything. And I met a few cool people, but that was kind of it. So not much to report here. So that's just going to be the end of the video. Couldn't catch anything on day 2. Sometimes that's just how things happen. So don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I can keep making videos and stuff. So I will see you guys in the next one.